Jaden don't have his food, and these two foolish people are eating in slow-mo. They're eating in slow-mo, so he won't feel left out. We all done, so he eating. Look at him, just special. The both of them.
We are on a boat heading to, where are we going, Dan?
Toboga Island.
Toboga Island. And that's Nikki and bad look face Jaden. He hid his face because he know it. Look at him, y'all, look at him. YouTubers, you know, we don't know what we're gonna do with these folks. Over and out. It's not Putin. What do you think it is? We are in Boca Chico village off the coast. We are taking a tour. Nikki! I'm videoing. Ooh, what did he say? Where are we at? I said Boca Chico. What are we?
Toboga.
Oh, Toboga. We are in Toboga. Toboga. And we did a 45-minute walk around the island, which was short.
Wait, it stopped the rain?
It did? Leave me alone. today, please.
We're leaving her alone.
Oh my God, you carry that big old. Ah! Hey YouTubers, we are in a restaurant.
Are you looking at me?
Yep. And what's the name of this restaurant? Delicioso Sable. And we are sitting and drinking while we're waiting on the kids that are at the beach. There's water all around us and small shops around us. We at Toboga. We are in Toboga and we are leaving now. People just live here and they get their stuff by boat. Ooh, Toboga.